To the one who forgets I ever exist. Sometimes I took my time looking at you, how your eyes held so many secrets to my happiness and bliss, how your face becomes one that I long to see each day, how you light up when I told you you are someone so special to me. Just seeing you like that is more than enough for me. But sometimes I do question your lingering presence in my life. Though I make it known, yet many times you forget I ever exist. Makes me wonder, why is that? When I thought I leave a mark where no one does. Lavender Pen.